Hi dear 6th standard children, welcome to your English class. Dear children, in the previous class we have done the activities which is given in your lesson number 2, that is the scholar's mother tongue. Today let us go to the story. Listen here, I will read and explain. You should take pencil and underline the new words. All of you open page number 18 in your textbook. I will read now. A learned scholar or Pandit, underline the word scholar. What do you mean by the word scholar in Kannada? Vidvamsa. Okay. Once visit the court of Akbar. He says, I have mastery. Underline the word mastery. It means skill in a particular subject or activities. Over different languages. King. Dear children, all of you listen here. Already we know that the given lesson, the scholar's mother tongue, is taken from Akbar and Birbal stories. Akbar is king, Birbal is minister. One day, just you imagine there is a court of the king named Akbar and Akbar is sitting on the throne. Ministers are also there in the court. Okay, one day what happened now? A learned scholar or Pandit, Vidvamsa, visits the court of Akbar. And he said that, what he introduces himself? He is a master of many languages. He knows many languages. He can speak different languages fluently. Okay, and the Pandit continues, I can speak many languages fluently. Underline the word fluently. It means speak a language easily without mistake. Okay. Now what is Pandit telling? He has mastery over different languages and he can speak many languages easily without any mistake. King replied, oh, okay, sounds good. Now he challenges all present over there to find out what his mother tongue. Okay, the Pandit makes a challenge to the court. Is there anybody present here who can find out my mother tongue is? What was the challenge of Pandit now? All present over there, they should find out what? Pandit's mother tongue. Understand? Turn the next page. The courtiers discuss among themselves. Courtiers means Sabhapatigalu. They were discussing among themselves, maybe Kannada or Urdu, Tamil. One is thinking. Just look at the picture. But all the courtiers fail to find out the Pandit's mother tongue. Okay, but they fail in their attempt to find out the Pandit's mother tongue. So Pandit is telling now, and so you all accept defeat. Defeat means, underline the word defeat. It means solo. What is Pandit telling now? You all accept the defeat. The courtiers telling that, oh no. Now, Birbal tells that he shall find out the Pandit's mother tongue in a day or 2 or 3, etc. Just then Birbal speaks. Who is Birbal? Birbal is a minister of Akbar court. Well, Pandit, I shall find out what your mother tongue is in a day or so. What is Pandit telling now? He shall find out the Pandit's mother tongue in a day or 2. Pandit, glad to hear that, Birbal. What is Pandit telling now? Glad. Oh, very good, Birbal. Take your own time. You take your own time and find out my mother tongue. That night, what Birbal did? Listen, look at the picture of 21, page number 21. That night, Birbal sneaks. Underline the word sneaks. It means go quietly into the Pandit's bedroom. What Birbal is doing now? He is going quietly into the Pandit's bedroom and finds him fast asleep. What was Pandit doing? He was in deep sleep. He whispers, underline the word whispers. It means speak in a low voice into the Pandit's ear, and then he tickles his ear with a feather. Underline the word feather. Feather means garigalu. What Birbal did now? He tickles Pandit's ear with a feather. ಗರಿಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಕಿವಿಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಪಂಡಿತ್. Turn the next page. Pandit in his sleep shouts words in his mother tongue. ಗರಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಅಲರ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಥರ ಚಕ್ರಗುಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಎವರದಿ. ಎವರದಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ತೆಲುಗು ವರ್ಡ್, ರೈಟ್? Birbal. Oh well, that's it. The next day in the court. Now, what is happening in the next day in the court? Your Majesty, the Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu. Birbal. Birbal said, Birbal ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Your Majesty, the Pandit's mother tongue is which one? Telugu. Pandit. Yes. What is Pandit reply? Yes, ಹೌದು. King Akbar is astonished. Underline the word astonished. It means wondered. Wondered means ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ. Now Akbar is astonished. Well done, Birbal. Akbar is praising the Birbal. Well done, Birbal. But how did you find it out? Hey ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರಿ? How did you find it out? Birbal said, Your Majesty, in times of difficulty, a person speaks his ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗ್. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕಷ್ಟಕರ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಜನಗಳೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವರ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರನೇ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಬಿರ್ಬಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಗರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಚಕ್ಲುಗುಳೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಕಿವಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಯವರದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಎವರದಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ತೆಲುಗು ವರ್ಡು. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ ತೆಲುಗು ಅಂತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ ದೆನ್ ನರೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಂಡಿತ್ಸ್ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ನೈಟ್. ಕಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ಲೆವರ್ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್. ಕ್ಲೆವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲೆವರ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಶ್ಯೂರ್. Birbal, thank you, Your Majesty. Turn the next page. The courtiers praise Birbal's wit and the Pandit leaves the king's court in dismay. Underline the word dismay. It means disappointment. I accept defeat. What is Pandit's reply now? I accept my defeat. ನಾನು ಸೋಲನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೆವರರ್ ದೆನ್ ಮೀ. ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೆವರ್ ನಾವ್? ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೆವರರ್. ಆಲ್ ದ courtiers telling that hooray, hooray. Dear students, understand the lesson now. I hope you understood. Thank you.